I'm Chloe from Brit+Co. It's so nice to meet you. How are you?
I'm good. How are you? Nice to meet you too.
Good. I'm so excited to talk to you about this series. Um, One thing that I love is that the show is filmed in Wilmington, and I'm curious, as a Wilmington native, was there anything that you were like, I have to
What?
show this cast and crew?
Yeah. Are you a Wilmington native, Chloe? No.
Sorry, I phrased
Yeah.
that wrong. I'm
Yeah, yeah.
I'm I'm from the Outer Banks,
Are
actually.
you really? Oh my
I've
God.
spent so much time in Wilmington,
I
so I
love
love
that.
seeing that. Yes.
Yeah. Oh, that's so amazing. So, honestly, like, you probably know all these great YA shows have been shot in Wilmington. It's never played as Wilmington.
Yeah.
And so I was so glad to like, you know what? Let's quit pretending it's some other place. Like, let's make it where it is.
I love that. Was there anywhere that you were like, we have to take this cast and crew and introduce them to like Brits Donuts or something that you were excited to show them?
Oh, well, I mean, just I live in Wilmington.
Yeah.
So, as you know, it's not a huge place. So the band has hung out there for so much. They've been to my house. They've been, we've been
Yeah.
everywhere. We've been everywhere together. I take them out on the boat. We go surfing. It's so much fun.
I
Yeah.
love that. Yeah, and I just love seeing this cast together on screen. And one comment that stood out to me on the trailer on YouTube was how excited fans are to see like fresh faces make up this whole ensemble. What is like your favorite thing about working with all of these talented young adults?
Well, I mean, like, it's so much fun to go. First of all, there's so much talent out there, and so few get a shot. I mean, the world's filled with talented people, so it's so fun to do that. And the show's about dreaming and hoping things are going to go your way. So the show's kind of does that for this cast. So
Yeah.
it's so fun to watch that. Like, there's this whole sort of meta reflexive thing that's going on, even as you're shooting it, and doing it with my daughter. I'm very aware of all of that. So. It's honestly, it's so much fun.
Yes. I'm curious, are there any like North Carolina Easter eggs hidden in the show? Because I remember reading your Daily Tar Heel interview about how like Ward Cameron is named after like Cameron Stadium, or that was an influence,
Yeah,
perhaps.
yeah.
I was curious if there was anything in the runarounds that I can keep my eye on.
God, I mean, I feel like it's kind of littered throughout it. Like, I mean,
Sure.
like we talk about all these North Carolina things, like they talk about the Cat's Cradle in Chapel Hill, which is like this legendary, rock
Mm.
venue where all these bands got their start. And when we're sitting down and we're writing, we're just referencing the things that we know. So
Yeah.
just like in Outer Banks, if you know Wilmington, which was originally intended to be in Outer Banks, it's littered with references to things around Wilmington, and Runarounds is the same way.
I love that.
Yeah.
I know, and I love that the band was in an episode of Outer Banks. That's such a
Yeah.
fun Easter egg shared universe, however you look at it. Would there ever be a potential for even more of a crossover in the future? I would
I,
love to see that.
oh my God, wouldn't that be hilarious? Maybe a Christmas movie? No,
Oh my gosh,
like
I would die.
yeah. No, I think that would be tough. Like, I think tonally the universes are a little different. Outer
Yeah.
Banks is super high flying. This is a little more realistic. Different streamers, Amazon and Netflix.
Oh, true.
We'd have to get, two sides to do that. So I think it would be tough, but it was fun to have them in Outer Banks. That was for sure.
Yes. And obviously, I have to ask if there's anything that you can tease about the final season. I know I'm excited, my friends are excited. Just like what the vibe is on set.
The vibe is super. It's literally senior year-y. Like you're really
Yeah.
excited because you're pumped to be doing what, this work that has meant so much to all of us. But you're also it's bittersweet because almost every location you go to, you're like, oh, we'll never be here again. And so it's emotional.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And the runarounds is kind of reminding me a little bit of like One Tree Hill and the OC, just capturing that magic of summer at the beach almost. What do
Yeah.
you think is so magical about this genre that just makes viewers flock to it? Because I feel like the runarounds is going to be the same thing.
I hope your mouth to God's ears. I think it's like young people can relate to it because they're going through it.
Yeah.
People that are older or even a little bit out remember that moment. I mean, it's before life's beating you up. You know, it's
Yeah.
I mean, right? It's like you still believe it's all possible, right? And that's a beautiful moment, right? Before the hard work of your life starts to get you. And so That's why I think a lot of age groups can watch it. I feel like YA people act like it's just YA that watches YA. That's not true at all. Like if you look at the biggest shows on TV, a lot of them are quote YA. You can't be the biggest show on TV unless you have a really broad audience. So
Yes. No, that's so true.
yeah.
And I think my favorite thing about the runarounds, or one of my favorite things, is it seems like everything about these kids' experiences throughout the season is like dialed up to 11. Their emotions, their like last chance mindset. Do you remember any experiences in your own life that mirrored that? I mean, I can remember being
Oh
like
yeah.
beginning of college, kind
I
of
mean, you've
that
been around a
freshman time.
17-year-old lately, like, and they talk about their relationships. It's life or death, man.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, everything feels much bigger than your older self would say it was.
Yeah.
But that's kind of what's so exciting about it. I had those moments too when when I was coming out of college and told my folks I wanted to go into film, and we had no one in our family that had ever done that or any perspective to that. And so there was a lot of like, wait, what? Huh? Huh? What are you talking about? So I can totally relate to it.
Yes. I know I'm in my mid 20s and I'm like, I still kind of feel like everything is life or death. Maybe we'll
Right?
just go away one day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. It's like the only thing that changes is you're going to survive.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh, yes, for
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah.
Um, and as a creative, I'm so curious what is inspiring you right now? So much of your work inspires other people. I would love to hear what's filling your cup creatively.
I mean, I love telling these sort of like I love yeah, obviously I love YA, I love those kinds of things. I love working with people that are that age. It's just so much fun. It's so inspiring, keeps me young. It's great working with my daughter. We have a lot of things cooking right now. We just did a little movie with Sam Nivola, who was in The White Lotus, that Bobby Farrelly directed, that we're super excited. That's going to be at the Toronto Film Festival next month. Um,
Amazing.
so we have a lot of YA movies that we're working on, and then we have some really big projects that are getting close. So we're excited. There's a lot of irons in the fire.
Oh, well, can you tease anything about those big projects? I have to ask.
Well, one of them is a movie we've gotten. I mean, I can't quite spill the beans. We've gotten an amazing Academy Award winning director, Academy Award winning production designer. One of the biggest producers in the world is gearing up to do a movie based on the life of our sound guy on set, which is the craziest coming of age story you've ever heard. And so we're super excited about that. Hopefully that it's going to get shot in 26.
Oh, amazing. And final question. Obviously this show is coming to audiences in September. What are you watching right now, or what is there anything you're excited to watch in the future as a consumer?
I mean, I watch a little bit of everything. The thing I watched recently is probably the best movie I've seen in 5 years is Black Bag. Have you seen
Okay. No, not yet, but it
the
was on my
spy
list.
thriller? Michael Fassbender, Kate Blanchett, Steven Soderbergh, A plus.
I'll
Can't
bump it
believe
up on
it's
my
not a
list.
bigger hit. It's
Yeah.
weird. It makes me a little bit like, really? Like that's not a hit? Like, come on, that should be a hit. Yeah,
Amazing. Well, congratulations again on this show, and it's been such an honor talking to you. Have such a good rest of your day.
yeah. You too, Chloe. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you, you too.